Hello, in front of me I've got EMPORIA Smart 5. In this video I'll show you how to connect pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your pendrive has a USB-C stick and then simply plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Now swipe down notification bar. As you can see, I've got the issue with my pendrive and I will have to format it, but I won't do it because I've got my things on my pendrive. But if you want to find your USB storage after it's connected to the smartphone, you have to go to Files, Browse, and it will be visible right here under the internal storage. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.